Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be kicking off this year's Water Marble March with this Mercury Glass design. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my water marble today, I'm going to be using Nubar Impulsive Silver as my base and Chocolate Coffee Bean for the marble. Once I have the base color applied, I'll be protecting around my nails using liquid latex as well as tape. For today's water marble, we're going to be working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. But for today's marble, we're not actually going to be drawing a design. We're just going to be letting this polish kind of break apart in a weird way, and I don't know why it's happening, but I think it looks kind of cool. So we're just going to do one drop. Then I'm going to go in with 3 nails lined up and dip in. I do have an orange stick to make sure there's none that's going to get in the way when I pull out. Then I'm going to pull my fingers out and there's the design. I'm going to remove my protection, then move on to the rest of my nails. Going to do just a little bit of cleanup with a small brush dipped in acetone. This is a pretty light marble, so there's not a lot that was outside of the protection, but just a little bit to tidy up. Finally, I'm going to finish everything off with top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished design, and I love how this turned out. Although it's maybe a little bit more water marble adjacent than a traditional design. Reminds me a lot of the old water spotting technique, although I didn't have to add anything to get the polish to react like this. And honestly, I'm not sure why this particular polish created this particular pattern. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.